Hello everyone, welcome to Rosh Ideations. My name is Roshan Raikar. I'm looking for interns. Now, this is something that is really close to my heart, and I would like to clarify that this will be an unpaid internship. Okay, you might feel that this is so boring. Unpaid internships I'm not interested in. So there is a solid reason, and before any friendship or any relationship starts, I think it's good to be honest, right? So that's what something I've learned through my experience. So let me be very honest and express my story in as short time possible and tell you the reason why I'm looking for unpaid internships. Okay, there are three kinds of students. One, who are really clear about their goal and they are not looking for any kind of internship or job or anything. They are learning something for a particular purpose in order to build something on their own. Okay, so this is one category. The other category is somebody who is really good with academics or a particular skill and are ready to work in the real-time world. Okay, their communication is good, their skills are good, and they are immediately employable. Maybe that is because they have been really good with they've been consistent with their work and they are ready now. Okay, and somewhere that factor of immediate employability makes them qualified for paid internships through which they will get some real-time exposure, and then they can climb the ladder to actually go and start working on full-time jobs. Okay, now third, there is an in-between category who mostly suffer, and this is a larger crowd. Okay, this is a larger portion of the student community. Okay, this segment or this larger chunk of student category is somebody who falls in between. Okay, they neither have clarity on specifically what they have to do on their own. Okay, nor they are in a position to go and work somewhere, maybe because of many reasons. Maybe one can be that they do not have the right communication skills or that confidence. Second reason can be that they are completely not skilled. They just have little bit whatever theoretical knowledge they have taken during their course or degree, whatever they are doing, but it is not applicable, or they are not in a position to apply it in real world. Third thing is there can be a reason that they have the theoretical knowledge, okay, and are really good at it, but in practical how to implement it, there is no clue at all. Okay, so in the past I tried to take interns on paid basis, giving some stipend or anything, but it's been 10 years in my business journey. I've really experienced wide range of engagements with students and employees where I really tried paying good number of good salary and or stipend, but at the end there was a mismatch, and especially I'm talking about the student community who I had taken as interns. There was a big gap in what they were thinking that they would be working as and the kind of pay that they would be getting, and there was a really big gap. Okay, so they came with a different mindset, but in reality something else happened. At the end they just started expecting that we want our stipend and that's it, and nothing else would be given. Okay, so there was a huge gap. Imagine just an internship, if this is happening, then what would happen when one goes for a job interview? Okay, and there they choose people ruthlessly. Okay, if they are paying somebody a full-time salary, then they would expect them to be really good. Okay, and that is when the delay happens in getting the right kind of a job. And somebody who even gets selected but does not get chosen for the right kind of job which he or she was expecting, then there he or she goes there with half-heart and does not even perform properly, and that again deteriorates their overall performance, which again ends up being frustrating and demotivating, right? So I realized that if this middle category of students that are there, if I can take them on internship, firstly I will get some kind of support in my work, because I am really finding hard time in executing my projects, and I cannot hire everybody on a full-time basis, be it on a full-time employment basis or a paid stipend basis, because it is costing me a lot. I have really gone through a tough time managing a full-time team, managing an office. Now I have gone completely on a virtual mode. So one value add that I can give is whatever I have learned the hard way running a company from 2011 till now, okay, the advantage of you working with me is I can give all that knowledge to you in order to make your journey easier, okay. Second is I already am working on projects, so I can give you that exposure. So you have got the theoretical knowledge from the institute or the college. I will make you work on projects, and our working mode will be 100% online, okay. So wherever there are gaps, okay, I will make you work on it. And since you are working on a real-time project, then you will exactly get a clarity. And when somebody is working with me, I first try to understand their goals. If you're trying to whenever you will work with me as an intern, I will try to understand your goals as to what you want to achieve, which job you want to go, or whatever are your career plans, and accordingly I try to give you exposure to the project so that your journey of reaching that goal becomes easier, okay. So this will become a win-win situation, and in this journey of doing internship with us, you will become acquainted with what it takes to work in a real-time atmosphere, the kind of communication required, the kind of reciprocation, speed, the smartness required, because in real world it really is different, only result is what matters, okay. So that is why I thought I have to be honest enough to say that why am I unable to offer paid internships, because I'm really drained out and past when I had committed payments and I was not able to fulfill on time. It was really frustrating for me for not being able to stand by my commitment, and the reason also was that I was not getting the right kind of output, and clients were also getting frustrated, so the chain was getting affected, okay. And after COVID especially, things have really got difficult, so I do not want to overcommit and under-deliver both to clients and to my interns, okay. Rather I thought let me give a bigger value addition by taking interns, giving the best value in terms of learning and walking through the journey together, so that I end up getting support and the interns end up getting the right kind of a knowledge to land their dream job, okay. And also the goal is to be as realistic possible, showing the mirror of reality, okay. So sometimes whenever a student joins a degree college or an institute, a really big picture is shown, but in reality what happens is anybody has to start right from scratch and start keeping one step at a time to reach the big goal. So in the first attempt itself, a technical student or a computer science student won't get a chance to work at Microsoft. That person has to start from somewhere in a small company, start earning and learning both together, and then land at that job. So I will try to give as much reality check possible, so that when you really go out, you're out to go for a full-time job with the right kind of a mindset, okay. So this is just a brief that I'm telling. When we actually start working together, I will be giving ton of value for sure. Okay. Why should you join me at Roche Ideations? Okay, I'm going to take you through a tour of our work and our journey so far, and maybe you will get an idea about my vision, my goals, my journey so far, and then if you are able to relate to it, then probably it will be a good motivation to apply and we working together. All right, so here's a little story on my journey so far. This is my website, rocheideations.com, and we work on 4 main categories of services: social media, website design, animation, and graphic design. So in short, we work on swag. We work with swag. Okay. So the whole journey started with the curiosity to learn more and build an industry in our region in North Karnataka as a really a change maker in the animation space, bringing together all the artists. Then things really evolved in the digital space, and I realized very soon that graphic design, animation, website design, and digital marketing are inseparable. It all syncs in very well, and content is the king in today's world. So things really started growing, and we also started adapting ourselves. Okay, you really have to check out our YouTube channel. There is a lot of content, a mix of content, and you will be able to you definitely have to subscribe, and you will get to know our associations in different organizations, and a little bit of marketing that we've tried to do. Okay, and so about us, we advertise creatively, and the goal is to do it effectively. How do we do it? We do perfect research and come out with right concepts which are effective. Mediums: how do we express ourselves? Through animations, graphic designs, website designs, digital marketing. Solutions: so ultimately how the execution happens through video production, animation, graphic designing, branding, and social media advertising. Okay, so who we are: we started as Art Shastra Studios in 2011 as the first North Karnataka's animation studio, and the idea was to really build an industry. I've really gone through a very tough journey so far, but I've been holding on because my goal and vision is clear as to what will be the final outcome. Okay, because I'm really clear on the vision that I want to build an industry in our region. Okay, and I did my graduation at Oxford College of Computer Applications, Hubli, and my animation education at ANTS Hubli. I got awards like Best Creative Mind Award, Best All-Rounder Award, Mr. Talent Award. I really got my portion of motivation and the thrill from my college days. I am also a global shaper at World Economic Forum. This is a very exclusive and amazing platform for the select people between the age of 20 and 30 to give a platform for the young people in the world to come out and start making a change in whatever way they can. So it's been an incredible journey. I'll show you more on this my association with the World Economic Forum. So it's 9 years and counting. So since 2011, it's 10th year now and counting. So we worked for clients ranging from startups, government organizations, Fortune 500 companies. So it's been a range of clientele across the globe. So the expertise is why, more than we say that what we can do, I claim that it's with a really difficult journey and being consistent, we've learned what not to do. When I say we, I and my team. So what not to do is something which comes with experience. So that gives the right confidence to deliver. Okay, so becoming a part of our customer success story and helping it become a reality is our obsession. Okay, so exposure, as I said, we've been a part of World Economic Forum and trying to create as much content on YouTube and other social media to get connected to a larger audience. Okay, so who needs us? We provide services to businesses, individuals to build their brand, B2B, other agencies who are in our similar space. We try to collaborate with each other. Okay, and our best products have been 90-second explainer videos, storytelling through comic strips, live short videos, motion graphics. Okay, designs, branding, turning a business into a brand is our profession. Okay, and digital brand. You can go through all of this content on our website whenever you have time. And digital brand, helping consistently working with brands to put out some really beautiful content on their social media so that the storytelling process turns their business into a brand. And website design, I personally feel website design is not just a technical thing, it's an art form. It's giving life to a brand, to convey a brand's story, and helping the brand to grow faster and generate more income and money. Okay, so all of that, the core of it is concept building, creativity, designs. Okay, so here is our portfolio in graphic designs, flyer design, logo design, business card. There is a complete range of work that we have done, which you can go through, please. And in animations, there are different varieties of work, logo animation, explainer videos, social media videos, 3D walkthroughs, e-learning, motion graphics, cartoon animation, video ads, festival wishes, video invitations, whiteboard animation. Okay, then in website designing, we have different categories of work which is done: personal website, business website, and e-commerce website. Okay, so we focus on working on WordPress as a platform because that helps us focus more on the design aspect and less on the code aspect. So we've been giving social media marketing services to clients when it comes to creating content and keeping their brand engaged. Okay, so this is the social media services. There are a few videos, very informative videos you can watch. My dream project, which I've started to work on, is School of Passion, helping people turn their passion to profession in as less time possible. Age no bar, gender no bar, as long as you have the minimum things like understanding of English language, if you can communicate, if you have the required computer and internet connection, be it whether you have or you can arrange it from somewhere, or visit a college and request for their lab for some time. It is all the hustle. But if you have these, then our School of Passion intends to build people with graphic design, animation, web design, and digital marketing skills. And these are all a set of videos which you can go through. Okay, and so this is where it all began. It was a small little garage where it began, because I didn't have anything to when I was starting out. Yes, definitely a lot of difficulties anybody faces, so I just thought whatever it is, they have to just get started. So this is just a glimpse of where it all started. With in association with World Economic Forum, I got a chance to get selected for India Economic Summit twice, and so out of around 5,000 plus people applying, 50 get selected. So I got a chance to interact with Sadhguruji, and got a chance to visit Ministry of Skill Development at the central government office, Ministry of Science and Technology. Lucky enough to work with great people like Dr. Shalini Rajneesh, Principal Secretary in Karnataka government, very inspiring personality. The founder of World Economic Forum, Dr. Schwab. So Global Shapers is his brainchild. So we had conceptualized Hubballi, animated series to popularize Hubli's accent and also tell the great history of Karnataka, but we could not release it. It's still in the concept stage. Got a chance to just ask a question to Mr. Anil Kapoor and tell about School of Passion, and we have a video of this on our YouTube channel. You can have a look at it. So all these moments and have been really inspiring. So here's a little bit more on our story, so you can just glance through our journey so far. And so in the media, this is where I had the chance to interact with Sadhguruji, then Mr. Piyush Goyal, in conversation with K.T. Ramarao, coming with Lalia Bhatt, Karan Johar, and Mr. Anil Kapoor, Diana Penty, and Rakul Preet, actresses. And this is my friend Ramazan. He's a director. He has made an amazing movie, and a few other things which will give you an idea about our journey so far. Okay, and this is our page, and when you go through our Facebook page, you'll just get to know the different our journeys and the different posts and artworks and everything and stories that we've been sharing. Okay, and thermocol cutting has been the core of where it all got started. I love making miniature models, and that's when I got introduced to animation and the bigger picture. So I look forward to creating more of stop motion movies, and so this has been my passion. So I'm extremely passionate about art, creativity, animation, graphic design, and not only for myself and for my company. I intend to build something good for the artist community, bringing together as many artists possible, and also through School of Passion, sharing things that I've learned the hard way, and through my mentors, my friends, and trying to contribute in whatever way I can. So this is what I used to love doing. Now I'm finding it difficult to do, but I will definitely continue doing this and start streaming while I'm doing it. Okay, and that's it. So I invite all of you for applying for internships. There are 6 categories of internships. One is animation, second is graphic design, third is digital marketing, fourth is web designing, fifth is content writing, sixth is traditional sales and marketing. Now all those people who are doing their BBA, MBA, BCom, okay, ultimately it's all about selling, okay, and the crude selling activities, okay, in real world, how difficult it is, because a salesman, anybody who wants to do something on their own, the hard reality is one has to be a salesman, one has to sell themselves, okay, and this experience of working on an internship of sales, definitely I'll be announcing for those students the incentives also to earn in the sales space, in the sales experience. But I feel that a lot of students face difficulties that they feel that I'm going to go in a multinational company and then work in a air conditioned space, And when they really go out and look for jobs and they have to work, visit client offices to make pitches, sell, the whole experience becomes frustrating. So this experience I want to show what is the reality, okay, and also the power of making a lot of money by being really great at sales, conventional sales, clubbed with utilizing the power of digital media. So the sales guys, I'm telling you, join me. I'm going to teach you whatever I've learned with a lot of difficulty running an organization. So this will set an expectation for you, realistic expectation, and it will help you land at a really good sales and marketing job, and it will set the right kind of expectations, okay. So in all these 6 areas, if you feel you are good at, and if you have got some hands-on learning through a private course or through online learning or through your graduation, okay, you can apply, and I'm 100% sure that this learning experience is going to help you a lot, and it will definitely help me because I am in need of the right kind of a team to work with, okay. So ideally it is a 6 months internship, and you don't have to travel anywhere. You can work from wherever you are, and it will be online. We have a portal, learning management portal. I will be giving, after I enroll you, I will be giving you an access. So whenever I give you an assignment and I have to give you the solution to work on a particular task or a technical thing, the already available resources will be at your will be available to you, and you can utilize that. Apart from that, daily basis we will be interacting on WhatsApp, on our learning management system, so that you are constantly executing, because working on real-time projects will make you perfect, and that will help you land at your dream job, okay. Apart from that, what else do I need to clarify? That's it. That's more of it about what will be the internship. It will be an unpaid internship, but I told you what is the value that you are going to get, okay. And if you are probably, even if you need not have passed out, even if you are in between your studies also, and if you want to get a taste of some real-time experience, then you are welcome to join. And I'm sure this will be very, very value adding for you, and you will be ready to work as soon as you finish this internship. The goal is a 6 months internship, but since we will be working together on helping you learn as much possible to get into a work or earning mode, or landing into your job. So in between, right from day 1 till the 6 months, in between, if you find the right job that you wanted to go, then you are free to go, okay. I'll be more than happy that this experience helps you land at your job, okay. So there is no hard and fast rule that you have to finish the 6 months, but ideally if you give your 100% for the 6 months internship, you will get the right kind of experience, and it will help you go out and look for the right kind of a job that you always have been looking for. But in between, assuming at the 3rd month you get it, I'll be more than happy to see you go and join. Plus you will be given a experience certificate, because you have worked on a real-time project, and we together will figure out what projects that you have worked on, because there are a lot of confidentiality clauses we have with clients. So wherever there is a scope on the work that you have worked on, we will present it in a portfolio. So at the end of internship, you will be having a beautiful portfolio, and you will be having an experience certificate, and I will write a really good testimonial based on how good you work, and that I think will help you land in a perfect dream job, okay. So the college or institute must be working really hard with you to give you the right kind of a knowledge. I will try to give you the best experience, and through my experience, and I'm sure we together can achieve something big. Okay, so I look forward to you applying for the internship, and we can't wait to start working together. All the best, and to apply, just send a WhatsApp message stating your name, your email ID and your address, and in which category you want to apply for the internship, and we can take things forward from there. Okay, I'll once again repeat the categories: graphic designing, animation, digital marketing, web designing with WordPress, and content writing, sales and marketing. All the best. I'll look forward talking to you.